Undermining. It's a silent killer of teamwork, a slow poison that can cripple even the strongest of teams. Imagine a workplace where colleagues, instead of supporting each other, resort to subtle tactics to discredit or sabotage one another. Picture a team where trust has evaporated, replaced by suspicion and negativity. This is the destructive reality of employee undermining. This behavior, often disguised as innocent jokes or backhanded compliments, creates a toxic work environment. It breeds resentment, stifles creativity, and ultimately hinders productivity. Employees, instead of focusing on their tasks, become consumed by office politics and self-preservation. The impact of such behavior extends far beyond the targeted individual. It creates a ripple effect, poisoning the entire team dynamic. Morale plummets, communication breaks down, and collaboration becomes a distant dream. Left unchecked, employee undermining can lead to increased stress levels, decreased job satisfaction, and ultimately, high turnover rates. Addressing this issue is not just about managing individual behavior, it's about safeguarding the health and productivity of the entire organization. Identifying undermining behavior is crucial. These actions can easily fly under the radar. One common sign is negative gossip. Watch for employees who spread rumors or highlight mistakes. They thrive on negativity. Another red flag is credit stealing. They take credit for others' work. They might shift blame for failures. Excessive criticism is another tactic. They nitpick to undermine confidence. Be wary of those who withhold information. They might exclude colleagues from meetings. Addressing employee undermining requires a proactive approach. Gather concrete evidence and document specific instances. Schedule a private meeting with the employee. Focus on behavior, not the individual. Frame feedback constructively and establish clear consequences. Section 4. Clear expectations, clearer skies, the power of communication. Communication is the cornerstone of a healthy and productive work environment. When it comes to tackling undermining behavior, clear and consistent communication is paramount. Start by establishing clear expectations for workplace behavior. Clearly outline what constitutes acceptable and unacceptable conduct, leaving no room for ambiguity. This can be achieved through company-wide training sessions, team meetings, or even a simple email reminder. Encourage open and honest communication within the team. Create a safe space where employees feel comfortable voicing their concerns without fear of retribution. This can be facilitated through regular team meetings, one-on-one check-ins, or anonymous feedback mechanisms. Promote active listening and empathy among team members. Encourage employees to step into each other's shoes and understand different perspectives. This fosters a culture of understanding and respect, reducing the likelihood of misunderstandings and conflicts. Finally, lead by example. As a manager, model the behavior you expect from your team. Treat everyone with respect, value their contributions, and avoid engaging in any form of undermining behavior yourself. Section 5. Building a fortress of trust, fostering a positive team culture. Addressing undermining behavior is not just about eliminating negative actions, it's about cultivating a positive and supportive team culture, where such behavior is simply not tolerated. Building a culture of trust is paramount. Encourage team-building activities that foster collaboration and communication. These activities can range from simple icebreaker games during meetings to more elaborate off-site retreats. Recognize and celebrate individual and team achievements. Publicly acknowledging successes, no matter how small, boosts morale and fosters a sense of camaraderie. It also reinforces positive behavior and encourages employees to support each other's growth. Provide opportunities for professional development and growth. When employees feel valued and supported in their career aspirations, they are less likely to engage in undermining behavior. Invest in training programs, mentorship opportunities, and career advancement initiatives. Finally, create a culture of accountability. Encourage employees to hold each other accountable for their actions and behaviors. This can be achieved through peer feedback mechanisms, where colleagues can provide constructive criticism and support each other's growth. Section 6. Reaping the rewards, the long-term benefits of addressing undermining. Addressing undermining behavior transforms a toxic work environment into a thriving hub of productivity and innovation. Improved employee morale is one immediate benefit. Increased job satisfaction leads to higher motivation and engagement. This results in increased productivity. A positive work environment fosters innovation. Employees share ideas freely, leading to innovative solutions. Reduced employee turnover saves time and resources. Creating a respectful workplace empowers everyone to contribute their best work.